welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Chainlink cryptocurrency and the previous last 1 hour and the previous last 2 hour. What's the change occur in the Chainlink, what's the high price of Chainlink in the previous last 1 hour 2 hour, I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right now and complete my 3k subscriber. My wish to hit 3k subscriber. If you listen my voice, please help me and subscribe my channel. Now let's see the price prediction of Chainlink in the previous last 1 hour. What's the change occur in the last 1 hour? That is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. As you can see here, the graph of the Chainlink cryptocurrency. So it's absolutely good news for all Chainlink crypto holders. As you can see here, they are fast down in the previous last 1 hour, but currently they are in jump. And now currently situation, they are in the neutral. As you can see here, they are not going upward, not going downward. So maybe they are goes upward in the future, or maybe they are goes down in the future. So as you can see here, the changes is about positive 0.6% in the Chainlink in the previous last 1 hour. In the high price of cryptocurrencies is about $26.87 is the high price of Chainlink cryptocurrency. So that is the live price prediction of Chainlink cryptocurrencies of the last 1 hour. Now let's see the last 2 hour result of the Chainlink cryptocurrency. So what's the chance occur in the last 2 hour in the Chainlink cryptocurrencies? As you can see here, they are loading. So kindly hit the subscribe button right now. If you don't subscribe my channel, please help me and subscribe my channel. As you can see here, the changes of Chainlink cryptocurrencies. Oh my goodness, what is a very bad news for all Chainlink holders. As you can see here, in the previous 2 hours they are continuously fast down, and in the last 1 hour they are take a jump, as you can see here. And now currently they are neutral, as you can see here. Currently they are neutral. Maybe they are goes up in the future, maybe they are fast down in the future. We can't say about that nothing, as you can see here. And but the changes is about negative 3.61% chance occur in the Chainlink cryptocurrencies in the previous last 2 hours. And the high price of Chainlink cryptocurrencies is now currently in the last 2 hours is $27.88 is the high price of Chainlink cryptocurrencies. So maybe they are goes up, maybe they are goes down in the future. So that is the live price prediction of 2 hour, 1 hour. You are watching now on Abby's Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.